Hello friends, welcome to Anutech 13. I am your friends Anfa Misra and we are here to learn about robotics. This is fourth lecture in course hands-on robotics, and this is going to be most important lecture in this series because in this lecture series we will discuss about CAD design of the robot, and also we will look for the electronics used in this robot manipulator. And most probably in last section we will look for the wiring diagram of all the components. So let's begin with the CAD design of tooling manipulator. So I used SolidWorks to design this complete tool manipulator, and I uploaded this complete assembly of tooling manipulator including all the components just by using a website grabcad.com. You can look for the website over the screen. So you can just sign in just by your username and password, and you can access this complete CAD design. And also I uploaded .stl file where you can download .stl file and you can convert just by slicer software for 3D printing. In, in the description section, I will share the link for this website, and also I will share the link for the all electronic components used for this tooling manipulator. So let's begin with the CAD design. As you can see over the screen, here is a first component is an actuator. This is NEMA 23 stepper motor, and with this stepper motor, I connected a link. This is made from ABS plastic, so you can 3D print this link one and you can attach over with the stepper motor here. This is rotary joint, so this is joint number one and this is link number one. Now you can attach another stepper motor. So as you can see here, this is actuator 2 and this is NEMA 17 stepper motor, and you can fix this stepper motor just by using 4 screws. Let me show you. Yeah, here there is 4 screws you can fix with the link 1. Now link link 2, this is link 2 and this can be attached by stepper motor here, and this will work as joint 2. So joint 1 here, joint 2 here, link 1 and link 2 is completed. So these are, you can purchase these stepper motor. I will share the link, and also you can 3D print link 1 and link 2. Now at the end effector, now let's discuss about end effector. So for end effector, I designed a mechanism. Just by using this mechanism you can pick and place this pen when required. So there is 9 gram, very cheap 9 gram servo motor, and to place servo motor I used a clamp, servo clamp. This is also 3D printed part, and this is servo horn. This come with the servo itself, and this is link to connect this part. This is servo connector. This is named as servo connector, as you can see, and this is servo clamp. This is servo connector, this part, and servo clamp is used to fix this servo with the link to. This is also 3D printed part, this servo connector. This is also 3D printed part, and this is a pen, simple pen. Okay, so pen is sliding in pen tube. So this is pen tube. See, this is pen tube. So either you can 3D print or you can arrange according to this is all depend on the pen diameter. So you can either 3D print, otherwise you can arrange locally. Here at this place, this is a spring stopper 1 and this is a spring stopper. So this is spring stopper 2 fixed with the pen tube just by using 1 screw. And this is also 3D printed part, and this is spring stopper 1. This is spring stopper 1 is fixed with the pen just by using screw. So these spring stopper 1 and spring stopper 2 is fixed with the pen and pen tube respectively. So there is one more part. This is a spring. so you can arrange locally. So this is all depend on the availability, so you can arrange this kind of a spring locally. So this is all about the CAD part, and to access all this complete CAD part of this tooling manipulator, you can just sign in here. Let me show you. So just open this grabcad.com, and I'm sharing the link there in the description, like this, grabcad.com. See, so here you can find lot of in libraries. In this library section, you can find lot of CAD designs. So just go there and search to link manipulator. This is mine one. So you have to download this one. See, just open this. You can load in 3D viewer like this. Okay. You can access all the parts. See, this is link one. This is link two. These are stepper motors, pen, pen tube. This is servo motor, servo clamp, servo connector, link one, spring, spring connector one, spring connector two. Except SolidWorks files, I also uploaded .stl file. So you can just download .stl file and you can use 3D printer to print all the complete parts. And for stepper motors you and drivers, electronics component, you can purchase online. So this is all about CAD part and mechanical arrangement, mechanical and electrical arrangement. Now we will look for the electrical and electronics assembly. So for electronics, I am using servo drivers, sorry, stepper drivers. So you can search stepper drivers. So there is lot of stepper driver, but this is the very cheap one. So it's not. So I will suggest you just go and buy online. So there is lot of websites from where you can purchase, whether you are in, this is Indian website, so generally we used to purchase from here. So this is A4988 driver, stepper motor driver. So this is normal quality, and in India this is only in 73 rupees. And also you can find lot of schematic for this stepper motor driver. Let me show you the schematic. Yeah, a lot of schematics are there. This one, this one. So I will share the schematic later, but you can go through online and you can search for the schematic. So I'm using two A4988 stepper motor driver and one 9 gram servo motor. So see, this is very cheap, 98 rupees. You can buy in 98 rupees. And also I will share you the link for NEMA 23. So this is NEMA 23. This is in 1699. So you can purchase from robo.in or from many other sites are there. So you can just buy using. websites like amazon.com or amazon.in. You can purchase this NEMA 23 motors. And also NEMA 17. So see, this is NEMA 17. This is about 650 Indian rupees. So see, this is all about electronics. Yeah, except these actuators and drivers, you have to buy controller also. So for controlling all these drivers, I'm using Arduino. Actually, I'm using Arduino Duo, but you can use, because that is little costly. So you can use Arduino Uno itself. Okay. So Arduino Uno, you can just search. So this is very cheap. This is only in 322 rupees. So it's all about this complete projects you can build just less than 5,000 Indian rupees, and it will help you to plot your trigonometric curves and all the mathematical functions, most of the mathematical functions.